Michael D. Hammerski on Comics. We're here at the opening of Nuke the Fridge Con, and it's already getting crazy with everybody looking for the goodie bags, and there's something special in them. And there's the line already to get in. And we're right here at the action, right, Tina?
We're where the action is. We're the center of attraction.
And everybody has to come by us when they exit. You guys say something, Tina?
No.
Oh, okay. So there's the exit. And that's where Mike Tyson stuff is. $99 for a photo op using your camera, and $129 for one of their pictures.